Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, I'm excited to show you how to set up the Netgear EX7500 Wi-Fi range extender. If you're struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or simply want to boost your existing Wi-Fi signal for better coverage and performance, you've come to the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from unboxing and installation to optimal placement and troubleshooting tips. So, let's dive in and get started on enhancing your home Wi-Fi network. First, let's unbox the EX7500. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick start guide, and a power adapter. The extender has a sleek design and comes with 3 internal antennas for maximum coverage. Before we dive into the setup, ensure that your router is powered on and functioning properly. You'll also need to have your Wi-Fi network name and password ready. Next, find a power outlet close to your router and plug in the extender. This will make the initial connection process smoother and more efficient. One of the simplest ways to set up your Netgear EX7500 extender is by using the WPS method. Follow these easy steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1: press the WPS button on your router. Step 2: within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. Step 3: wait for the extender's LED light to turn solid white, indicating a successful connection. This quick and straightforward method ensures that your extender is properly linked to your network without needing to manually enter any information. If your router doesn't support WPS method, don't worry, you can easily set up the extender manually. Just follow these steps. Step 1: connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, Netgear_EXT. Step 2: open a web browser and go to www.mywifi.ext.net. Step 3: follow the on-screen instructions to select your existing Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Step 4: complete the setup by naming your extended network. Once set up, find an optimal location for the extender. It should be halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Use the LED lights on the extender to find the best spot. Solid green means good connection, amber means okay, and red means the connection is poor. Now, connect your devices to the new extended network. You should see improved signal strength and faster speeds in the previously weak areas. If you run into any issues during the setup or while using your extender, here are some troubleshooting tips to help you out. 1. Make sure the extender is within range of your router. 2. Double-check that you're connecting to the correct network. 3. Restart your router and extender. 4. Refer to the Quick Start Guide or Netgear support website for further assistance.